I love this house.
I'm happy with it.
I think that I was going for more of the like minimalist kind of essentialist kind of thing, like knowing that it was going to be like where I would retire. So I wanted less maintenance, I wanted good quality of everything, but keep it simple.
If I have one regret about my house, it's where it's located. I think my wife wanted, now that she's seen how a lot of, for example, kitchens have islands in them, she saw that, and that would be something that we've talked about now potentially adding at a later time.
Well, I have quartz, and I almost wish I would have went into a higher grade of quartz, but I'm good.
We also have hardwood floors, which was something that we both wanted. They're just easy to clean, they look nice. I think the previous owners had carpet on them and they pulled that up, so it's in most of the house and it looks really good.
I just always enjoy sitting out in the backyard with a book on a summer day, so it's sort of essential.
We do have a deck. I love my deck. It was built by a local contractor who did a great job.
My neighbor's just putting one in right now. My setup it doesn't lend itself to a deck. We have a little porch on the back of the house, but we're pretty happy with the way it's set up.
In my last home, I had 3 decks off the back of it, and it was way too much maintenance. You had to constantly pressure wash it every spring, and you had to paint it or stain it or keep it in good condition.
I guess stainless steel is all the rage now. I think most of our appliances are stainless steel, but that wasn't something we necessarily looked for. Mostly we were just interested that they were new.